Hello everyone, welcome back to another Salt and Carbon episode. In last week's episode, we went camping at Red Bluff and got rained out at Nalu Station. In this week's episode, we head to Warroora Station in Coral Bay and actually catch a decent sized fish. Enjoy the episode! Hey everyone, so Jen and I are in Coral Bay at the moment. We've met up with some friends that I actually studied with at university back in South Africa. They're living up north, and just quite coincidentally our timelines matched for being here in Coral Bay, so we stayed with them for the night. And in front of us is, well, essentially the Bay area. Coral Bay is just towards our right hand side, just over there. So we're going to be pumping up our stand-up paddle boards now and go for a bit of a snorkel. The wind's pretty average, and it was about 8 degrees last night, so it's still feeling a bit fresh. So we'll see how we go, but yeah, show you guys what the marine life looks like. Yeah, you guys, it is so tough with this wind to be on the stand-up paddleboard and just to even turn around. But there's a lot of fish in this area. Look, I'm even going almost faster than this boat in front of me. You can see the it is so clean as well. Look at Jane. Dis wat ek gedoen het. Ook. Maar jou. Are we going to be saving a damsel in distress?
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echo.
Right guys, we're going to be going to Warroora Station now. Just airing down because it is 30 kilometers of dirt road driving. We are going to, I think it's 14 Mile Camp. We've booked 2 nights over there, so it should be pretty good. We look forward. The weather is promised to be good, so yeah, we haven't had the best weather the last 2 days, so let's see how we go.
Around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways,
campsite tonight, which is Maggie's Campground at Coral Bay, and we're on Warroora Station. So station borders the beach, and you have to basically drive through it to get to the campsites. And we drove to Pelican Point now because Google Maps said that we could go through a road that went over the sand dunes to Maggie's, but that turns out to be wrong, so we had to turn around and go back. But yeah, that's okay, we're not too far, I don't think, from the campground. So
about 10 kilometers.
Yeah, about 10 kilometers, so we should be there hopefully just before sunset. We're reversing because we just drove past some friends that we made from Steep Point, Jay and Lauren.
Is that Jay Dirty Fingers? Hey! What are you guys doing here?
Hey! There he is, the man himself. That was really cool to see them.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're such awesome people, and yeah, we just had a little chat to them. But yeah, they were spending a couple of nights with us in Steep Point. We met them and did some fishing with them, and yeah, caught a lot of squid when we were with them. So it was really nice.
His nickname is Jay Dirty Fingers, which sounds a bit weird, but we caught a lot of squid in Steep Point, and he was cleaning all the squid, and his fingers became very black because of all the squidding. So yeah. We dubbed him the nickname Jay Dirty Fingers.
Yeah. He kind of gave it to himself, but yeah, it's pretty funny.
Yeah, well, it's gonna stick now.
Yeah.
And then they're staying at 14 Mile Camp, which is about 10 k's in the opposite direction to where we're traveling now. So yeah, they actually went snorkeling at Maggie's Campground, which is where we are going to stay.
So we're all set up at Maggie's Campground. Got a bit of washing hanging here and there, but wow, how's this campsite? So I'll show you from this side. We're right on the beach, and there's Werner busy casting. He's about to try and catch some fish. I think he's already caught something, which he's using as bait. Another long tom, but yeah, into a pretty good day, I'd say. Got a yellow spotted rock cod over here. It's meant to be a 4 out of 5 edibility, and no minimum size, so yeah, gonna keep that little one. Should be, it's big enough for a meal. It's probably about 30 centimeters, just over. It's a bit twisted now in the bucket, so you can't see the full extent of its length.
Maggie's Campground, and I'm going to see if I can catch us a somewhat bigger fish to what we've been catching lately. Basically just getting pan-sized stuff, and if I can get a nice spangled emperor, apparently there are here, that'll be very nice.
We got something. Is it gone? Oh. Oi, what's that?
Spangled emperor.
Oh yeah. We finally got the big boy. Yeah. Yum. Well done. You finally got a nice big eating fish. Ew. How good.
Well, that's
Finally!
and it's a 5 out of 5 eating fish, so it's good.
Oh, we're eating good tonight. We've got someone here to investigate.
Hello.
Hello, baby. 2 little spectators. Nice.
Is it a spangled or
Yeah.
spotted?
No, I think it's a spangled. Nice. About 45.